Bitcoin to 28,000, anyone? Hi, it's Charlie giving you Wednesday's video. I hope you're very well. We've been talking in the trading room here at CBT for a bit now about this potential for Bitcoin to have a bit of a run to the upside. So let's just have a look at some of the technicals here with Bitcoin. Firstly, it finally managed to break out of this trading range that it was in down here. So you can also see that I've got a trend channel on here, which I'm sure many of you also have on your charts. Now really where the trick comes in and seeing where it may go to, and it's not too much of a trick, but there's a couple of bits of overlap here. So firstly, I'm going to take this out to a weekly chart, and in pure simplistic terms, we've obviously got these old lows that I could put in at 30,000, but actually I've said 28,000 because 28,000 is that absolute low there, and over here as well. So we're looking at around about that 28,000 mark to 30,000 really. Okay, 30,000 a bit more significant as a big round number, but we'll go with 28,000 for now. So let's now take that off and say, okay, so we've got what were old lows through all of this old zone becomes a resistance zone, and that does attract price. So that's where we could be seeing Bitcoin off to. Now what we need to do is go back to that daily chart, and if we were to measure the depth of this channel that I have here, so I'll take it from about where it was at 30,000 and take that down. It gives me around about, let's call it a depth of 12,000. A depth of 12,000 from this channel. If we now, from the point of breakout here, so around about, actually back around, actually a bit over 20,000 actually, so call it 21,000 for the purpose of this. And if we pop 12,000 on top of that, that takes us to what, 33,000. Okay, so that's how, if we measure the depth of the channel here and then project it from the point of breakout, that would give us 33,000. And so often is the case, I think, when you're doing projections and stuff like that, I think it's a good, not a bad policy to err on the side of caution. So what we have is an overlapping zone of a trend channel with the potential projections up into the low 30,000s, and then when we come up and look at the chart itself and look at technical prior lows, then we're looking at anywhere from 28,000 to 30,000. So being on the conservative side, 28,000 looks like a nice level for Bitcoin. There you go, a very short piece of analysis here for you on this Wednesday afternoon. I'll be back with a mindset video on Saturday. Take care for now.